not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the pictures I replay.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, what's up? As you guys can see, we are doing a new wig, something different. This unit is from CurlyMe Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous deep wave curly unit in 26 inches, so it's giving 26 inches, and I'm living for this hair texture. It is definitely giving paradise. Like the curls, the waves, they are everything. And I did get the ventilated type of hairline unit, so I tried my hardest to just pluck it, redefine it, and just give it this type of vibe. So like a low maintenance, low effort edge type of look. And I feel like she's cute. Like she could vibe. We could vibe with her. And the hair is everything. This wig is also 100% glueless, so this is something that you could take off at night. So if you are looking and interested in getting a ventilated unit, this one was definitely super fun to experiment and work with. And don't forget to go ahead and check those links in the description box. And let's jump into today's tutorial so I could show you how to do this, how to really finesse this. Alright you guys, I don't usually talk during this part, but I will, just because this is my first time attempting to do a wig like this, and you guys can see the difference, like how thinned out it is with the curly edges versus here. So what I decided to do is just pull some sideburns out and push some of this hair back, using a hot comb. So I'm just combing that hair straight, and it does revert to curly because I just ran the hot comb through this. Like, this is super trial and error for me, but what I am doing is just going in and just plucking little bits of hairs because I don't want it all to be like too much, and that'll get out some of the denseness out of this. And because these hairs is giving baby bang, and if you pull it, it's like 3 inches, what I'm gonna do is just take my time to rake those hairs out. Right, as you can see, it's literally visibly thinner, and you want to get that scissor and just kind of snip. So you don't want these hairs to be too long at all. Like, I feel like this is a decent amount of hair, and we're gonna leave the sideburn here as long as is because we're not really too focused on that. I don't want to, I'm just messing it up. Like, I feel like just running through it a little bit is just gonna make it look a bit more realistic. The messier the hair is, the better.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the pictures I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. don't really want to, I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher by my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Thinking wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan feet. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look right. Your body drive me, oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight and neat. Anybody with my eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease.
Alright, you guys, so I am back, and this is the wig. This wig is from CurlyMe hair, and they went ahead and sent me this 26-inch deep wig unit. It is 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and this ventilated thing is my first time working with it, and from certain angles I love it, and from certain angles I'm just like iffy, like I just have to get into the vibe of it. But as for the hair itself, gorgeous, super full, super thick. And of course, if you don't want to wear the ventilated style, you could always literally just get the hairs, curl it with the baby curling iron, and you will be good to go making regular edges, and you could just push this back. But this is just the style of the wig, and a lot of people like this style. Like a lot of people enjoy wearing their wigs like this, especially since this new type of wig came out. And honestly, I'm just living for the hair. The edges, it was very low effort, like a low effort vibe, but I did have to go in and do more than I usually do on regular edges, just to like, you know, like spruce them up and not make them look so all over the place. And I feel like it's cute. I'm kind of feeling it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit from CurlyMe hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.